Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by exposing clean edges and stable substrate. Use a plastic scraper to lift flaking paint, then sand with 300-400 grit until you feather the edge to sound metal or primer. Once done, wipe the area with wax/grease remover and dry thoroughly. Moisture ruins adhesion. Next, mask 2-3 inches around the chip so you only paint the repair. This prevents overspray and keeps clear coat transitions sharp. Do this now so the next steps bond correctly. You need a flat, well-adhered base before color goes on. If the chip is deep, mix and apply a 2-part body filler, shaping it slightly below panel contour so it won't bulge after paint. Once cured, block sand with 220 then 400 grit until smooth and feathered into surrounding paint. Clean again, then apply a self-etch or epoxy primer in 2 light coats. This promotes adhesion and prevents rust. Make sure each coat flashes properly so you don't trap solvents. You finish by building color then sealing with clear. Spray the base coat in 2-4 thin passes, matching the vehicle color code. Let each pass flash so the film levels. Once color is uniform, apply 2-3 coats of clear coat for depth and durability, allowing recommended dry time between coats. After curing, wet sand with 1,500-2,000 grit to remove texture and polish to blend edges. If you see runs or orange peel, wet sand the area and re-clear or spot polish until.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.